Hey YouTube, welcome back to Ravenwood Acres, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about my grow bags again. I've done several videos over the years. These ones right here are the 20-gallon ipower ones. Um, they've held up really well out of all the ones I have. For some reason I think it was a 5-pack, but one of them got destroyed this winter. Had it packed away in the greenhouse area, and a rodent, probably a rat by the size of the holes, decided to make it into its nest and chewed a bunch of holes in it. So it's not really repairable. It's not even economical really to repair, so I'll just be replacing that. So over 4 years I've had these now. I've grown a lot of different things in them, and they're continues to hold up. So here in this part of the covered, we called it aviary because we did have quail in here at one point. We might again in the future, but we can't grow in the soil in here. There's about 8 to 12 inches of good soil underneath this cardboard though. I put that in there and just put these here in rows. This is irrigated, so I can set this up on a timer. With me leaving again here in a couple days, going back to South Korea, I just wanted to get this kind of self-contained and automated with a timer. Everything that we've got growing, we're not really doing anything major this year just because of me not being here during the peak growing season. Just don't want to waste money, time on things that might die. So get stuff in here. There's a few things planted, but most of it's going to be stuff that's already either we just repotted into these grow bags, or yeah, pretty much, or it was already in a grow bag and I just brought it in here, so it won't end up getting dried out or something if it gets forgotten about by the kids. So yeah, other than that, like I said, I think still these are a must-have for a homesteader, gardener, wherever you live. I mean, I believe if they're, they look pretty grungy here, but that's just because they've been used for everything under the sun, left outside. But they're not ugly or anything. You get the kind of mold on them, or the like algae or moss growth on them, but they wouldn't look too bad on a patio or something like that. If you got like the black ones and they didn't end up growing moss like this one has. You can't really see it here in the camera, but yeah, other than that, like I said, they're great. I do recommend the ipower brand. There is another brand more used like at nurseries and stuff. So if you go in your local nurseries, a lot of them use some pretty high-end grow bags even for their trees. So definitely a little more money, but they seem even more durable. I'm gonna probably check that brand out. I'll share that with you in a later video. That'll probably be something I'll work on this fall, because when I get back late summer, I'll be prepping this area to grow some winter crops like some greens and whatnot. So other than that, that's really all we've been going on here. I don't know if you're interested in these. Of course, there'll be an Amazon affiliate link down below. Definitely have sold a few for ipower and other brands. So they're a big hit in my book. And getting 4 uses out of something like this, 4 years, over 4 years of use, to me seems well worth the price. They don't seem to deteriorate under UV like plastic pots will. So they've been out direct exposure to sun, and they're still holding up. I mean, I've lifted them moving around and they're wet and heavy. Difficult. The 20 gallons are difficult to move around when they're wet and heavy, or wet because they're heavy. So I don't know, let me know what you think. I know I've had quite a bit of engagement on these previous videos on the grow bags that I believe are definitely a must-have for gardeners. So just a little quick update on that. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget, check out our new website, theravenwoodacres.com. You can see all the content we produce here on YouTube and more over there. Have a great day.